Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today, we are going to talk about one of the best tricks to go ahead and select stocks for intraday trading. So, do subscribe to our channel because you do watch the videos, but you forget to go ahead and subscribe the channel. So, this is your time to go ahead and subscribe and be attentive for the remaining part of the video. So, here we go. Okay, so on your screen right now are the top 5 gainers, and then we will also check which were the top 5 losers on 22nd March. And then today is the 26th of March, so we will go back dated and check if our strategy worked on the 23rd of March on intraday charts. So if you see the list, Adani Ports, Britannia, TCS, Tech Mahindra and Sun Pharma were the top 5 gainers on the 22nd of March. If you check the losers, top 5 losers for the 22nd of March, it was IndusInd Bank, Power Grid, ICICI Bank, Tata Motors and HDFC Bank. So that's the first step to go ahead and select the stocks for intraday. So we are going to select the top 5 gainers and top 5 losers, and we are going to add them to our watch list for the next day. So let's go on the chart and check what this stocks did and how do we go ahead and understand if we got to go ahead and buy. We'll just make it a little broader so that everyone can see it. Okay. All right. And now we will go to the 23rd. Since it was in the list of top 5 losers on the 24th, the thing that we have to do is we have to wait and watch the price action right here. So at 9:25 chart of 5 minutes, if you see this candle, this closes at 9:30. So if this candle is closing above this red line, which is the VWAP line, and it's very easy to plot, you can go to this FX, just write VWAP right here, and you will be able to go ahead and plot it. Okay, so this is the red line right here. Above this, you are going to go ahead and get into a buy side trade, and you're going to target 0.50% of goal, and the stop loss is going to be 0.50%. So in this case, the stop loss is going to be somewhere around 1476, and the target is going to be 1492. So if you see right here, the stock went down till, okay, but before that it has already hit the target. If you see right here, this is the target. We got our 50 basis, like 50 points, and we are done. So if you see right here, this was the buy side trade that we took at 9:30 at 1484.45. We were targeting 1492, and we would hit that right here. If you see, it has not gone to 1476. The low for that period is 1477. So we have one positive trade taken basis on our strategy. Let's see the next one. Okay, so we are on the charts of ICICI Bank. If you see, the VWAP is below the price, and this is the buy signal that we have received at 579.4. The target is going to be about 3 points on the upside and 3 points on the down. So if you see right here, the stop loss has triggered and we are out of the trade. So for 79, it is 76. So 3 points of loss right here. So we are 1-on-1 on the strategy. Let's see the third stock. The third stock for the day is Power Grid. If you see, it's a bullish sign at 925 right here. It has closed above the VWAP, so at 211.60, 221.60, that's the price, and we are going to go ahead and target about 1.5. So 223 is what we target. Let's see if we hit that. Okay, here we go. So here we have hit our target and we are done for the day. So we have 2 winnings and 1 losses till now. Let's see the fourth stock and let's get excited. Number 4 on the list is IndusInd Bank. If you see right here, this is a buy signal at 985.5. So we are going to look at 5 points from here, and 980 would be our stop loss. If you see right here, we have met our target from here 985 to 991, and that's what we call an amazing strategy. So again, we are 3 wins and 1 losses in the 4 stocks that we have seen. Let's see the remaining 6 stocks. So we value your time a lot. That's the reason we are going really quick. Please value our time and do subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share, so that you also go ahead and appreciate us. So here we are on Sun Pharma. If you see right here, this is what you call a setup, a buy setup. On this side 593, the target is going to be 598, and on the lower side 588. If you see, it has hit a target. No, it has not hit the target, and we will take a loss on this trade. So we have 4 profitable trades and 2 loss making trades till now. Let's see what we have for the next one. Sorry, the tally is 3 wins and 2 losses. Let's see what we have on Tech Mahindra for the 23rd. Okay, if you see right here, the closing is below the VWAP on this chart right here. If you see, so it's a sell side and no prices for guessing. We are going to have this as a buy, like a profitable trade. 1015. Okay, let me just push it on this side and check. Okay, so 1013. From there we are going to target about 6 points. We get it right here on this trade, and we are in a profit. So 6-4 till now, sorry, 6-2 till now, 6 wins, sorry, 4 wins and 2 losses till now, my bad. 4-2 on the chart. TCS is a stop loss hit. If you see 13, like 3158 is the buy side, and it goes down directly and hits the stop loss. So we are 4 wins and 3 losses till now. Let's see what we have for the next 3. Okay, we have Britannia closing above the VWAP 3,540. The target is going to be about 18 points from here, and if you see right at this particular point, we have hit our target. So again, 5 wins and 3 losses. Let's see the next one. Next on the chart is Adani Ports. If you see 736, we are going to go ahead and put a stop loss of 4 points and a profit like target of 4 points. If you see on this particular point, we have achieved our target easily. So again, we are in profit, 6 wins and 3 losses, and I'm excited to see what is going to happen with the 10th stock for the day. Okay, the 10th stock on the list is Tata Motors. 309.80 is where we take a buy side trade. We are targeting 2 points from there. That is 311.80, and we hit it on this particular chart point on this candle, and we are done. So an amazing strategy. You must have seen, you must have enjoyed each and every bit of it. I'm pretty confident that you can go ahead and try this on paper trade for a couple of days. Once you're confident, then you can surely get into the market basis on your analysis and after talking to your investment experts. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to deliver you amazing results. On a live chart, we have seen 70% profitable trades taken. Do subscribe to our channel, share, comment, like, and it is going to be a big motivation for us to make more videos. Share your feedbacks in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching this video.